This brand is made in the USA by Allied Air Enterprises, which is owned by Lennox International, but the units are only available through a dealer network in the USA. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The furnaces use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition, but their warranty is not as good as other brands as it does not provide for total furnace replacement in case of heat exchanger failure. The 92G1E models are basic 92% AFUE efficient single-stage gas furnaces with a constant torque blower motor, while the 96G1E has a 96% AFUE combustion efficiency. The 96G2E models are premium two-stage furnaces with a two-speed inducer motor for quieter and more efficient operation. They have a constant torque blower motor, while the premium 97G2V models have a variable speed blower motor which is quieter and more efficient. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.